Hello comrades and welcome back to Ushanka Show. Today I'm going to do something I've never done before, but what's really popular on YouTube, so-called unboxing. So I received this package from Russia, from Moscow, and today we're going to open it up and see what's inside. So it was shipped in January 21st from Moscow, Russia. Really cool postal stamp. Recommended, but check it out of the stamps first of all. Every stamp is 100 rubles, and then you got another 10. This is what inflation did to the ruble. Back in the Soviet days, we had to work whole months to make 130, 150 rubles. Now, to ship a package from Moscow to Michigan is what? We got 8 on the top, 11. So it's 1110 rubles to ship this package out of Moscow to Berrien Springs, Michigan. So yeah, that's quite a bit of inflation right there. And I'm so stoked, I think that's the expression, that the actual stamps are on the package. Usually now it's just a little piece of paper with the price. They moved away from stamps like this, but this is really cool. And this is... I'll have to unglue these old stamps to remove them. Got the two-headed eagle and all the good stuff from the old Russia. Pretty neat. Another cute detail on the custom form. It says pin badges souvenir. So we already have a mystery here. What is badges? So we're gonna find out. And the cost of it is 5,000 rubles. So yeah, let's do unboxing. Alright, so it's definitely well packaged. Looks like guy knows what he's doing. Now I got my scissors and cut it all open. That's hard to open with one hand and film with another hand, but we're trying. So this is our little mystery box right here. Well, of course I know what's inside because I ordered it from Etsy, but there's a little hint. It's something relates to this era. Comrade Sergei is on the right, Young Pioneer, May 9, 1983 or 84, by the Grave of Unknown Soldiers in Kiev, Ukraine. Alright, so it looks like we got some kind of picture frame, right? And I saw something that made me so happy. Because that wasn't as a part of the offer what was for sale, but I sent a personalized message and said, hey, can you include something else? So I actually ordered 2 items. And this is the first one. Союз нерушимый республик свободных сплотила навеки Великая Русь. Sorry. So, what we got here is a failure to communicate. Not really, actually, communication went just fine. So this is a little picture frame with Lenin-related Soviet-era badges. Look at that. How cool is that? Very neat background. Hammer and sickle. And Comrade Lenin. And a small bonus, and that's what made me so happy. Because I sent an email, say, hey, I'm buying 2 pictures. Can you include the bonus? And here's the bonus. We got Young Pioneer badges and Октябрятский значок. Young Octoberist badge. So that's a little bonus for my purchase. Are we having fun yet? we're not done yet. So this is the second item I purchased. So let's see what I got here. Bam! This one actually has a glass. So this is pretty much like a geography trip across the Soviet Union. This is little different badges for different towns. Look at this: Kiev, Novorossiysk, Bryansk. So it's related to the Day of Victory, May 9th, which is, I forgot about that part, but it definitely relates to this too. So we got different badges from different cities across Ukraine and Russia. We got even Khatyn, Brest. So that's the second item that I got. Pretty cool looking, huh? Alexei sells these items on Etsy. I'll post the link below this video if you're interested to buy something like that. This is really cool. I wish I collected badges when I was back in Ukraine, but I wasn't interested in badges. I was collecting postal stamps. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I truly love what I bought. It looks awesome, pretty sharp. We'll try to set up on my table so when we do the live shows I can show it off. This is cool. Besides badges of towns, I actually have a medal. 30 years since the victory in the Great Patriotic War. And this is a monument from Berlin. So yeah, so that's my cool items. A set of badges about Lenin and badges related to the May 9 Victory Day in Great Patriotic War. And a cool little bonus. Now I can show off my badges. I wish he put separately also VLKSM badge. I might have to swap them. So I will have all 3 levels of badges from school. Октябренок, Пионер и Комсомолец.
And if you love my channel and would like to show your support, please click on the link below this video and become the patron of the Ushanka Show. For as little as $1, you can help us grow and create the new, interesting videos about the life in Soviet Union.